Hello, darlings, and welcome to Myra Beauty. Today, we're doing 3 homemade ice creams that you can make for the holidays, this holiday season. We're going to start off with a Dutch apple pie ice cream, and you're going to make your fried apples. So melt some butter, get some chopped apples, put them in a pan with some brown sugar, some apple pie spice, and just cook those down. Next, you're going to want to add in some heavy cream so it'll combine all together, and set that to the side and let it cool down. Next, you're going to make your streusel topping, which is going to be some graham crackers, butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon. Don't ask me how much, I just mixed it all together. Yep, and it should look crumbled like Dutch apple. Anyway, we're gonna make our ice cream mixture. You're gonna need a cup and a half of heavy whipping cream and 6 ounces of sweetened condensed milk and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So wait till it gets whipped up a little bit before you add your sweetened condensed milk and your vanilla extract, and then you're gonna whip it up again till it gets about this consistency, like whipped cream, kind of. And yet you're gonna add into the pan, and you're gonna repeat this process 2 more times for the other 2 ice creams we're making. All right, we got our apple pie mixture. We're gonna put that on top first, and we're gonna swirl it into our ice cream. And next we're gonna take that streusel topping, and we're gonna put that on top. You can do it at the same time or not, it doesn't matter, but I just did it separately, and you're just gonna like swirl that in as well. Next we're gonna do our pumpkin pie, which I got just some pumpkin pie from a can, some vanilla extract, some pumpkin pie spice, and some brown sugar, and I'm just whipping that all up together. And we're gonna put that on our second one. And like the other one, just swirl that into your mixture, your ice cream mixture. And next we got some butter cookies that I just crumbled up. These are Chessman butter cookies, but any butter cookie will work. And just swirl that in as well. Alright, next we're going to have peppermint chocolate. We've got to make our chocolate sauce, so we're going to need some cocoa powder, unsalted butter, some sugar, and blend that all up together. You need some vanilla extract as well. After you blend that up, next you're going to add in some heavy cream. And just do as much as you like, how chocolatey you want it, how sweet you want it, just however you like it. And after that's cooled down, we're going to swirl that into our third ice cream mixture. And we got some crushed up candy canes, so you're going to put that on top and put as much as you like, and again swirl that in. Alright, look at that. And you're going to put these in the freezer for about 2 hours, and they will come out looking like this. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Mwah.